Hello again, New Year Fives. Your next transition task is a Write to Me task, and all teachers, every year group's got the same tasks, or similar tasks, similar themed tasks, should I say, but we've all done these ourselves. So, school should have provided you with a stamped envelope, I'm hoping, so that you can send something to me. I think they come back to school. And it's an opportunity to show off a lot of things. I'm about to get a bit English here. Your presentation, so things like handwriting, your use of vocabulary and language, your use of punctuation, the way you structure sentences. This is really a first chance for you to show me what sort of writer you are. But not sort of writer as in good or bad. That's not what I mean, because everyone's a good writer. You know, you've all got your own ideas. But, you know, your style of writing, like how do you communicate on page? Okay. So, this task is write a letter to get to know you a bit more. But it's kind of in two parts. So yes, you've already done you've already done a task about getting to know you, and that's like your hobbies and your interests and your life. This is a little bit different. This is more of a I want to get to know you for year 5. So what are your aspirations for the year, or what are your aspirations in life? You know, what are your, have you got any sort of life goals? What do you want to be when you're older? And it's fine to not know, and it's fine to have 5 different things. But what are your goals for this year? What are you really going to focus on this year? Whether that's academically or even personally. Maybe you've got a couple of goals that you want to give yourself. And it's an opportunity to ask questions about life in year 5. If there's anybody worrying about coming back to school, this is a brilliant opportunity to offload it and get it off your chest. You might not want to verbally say, but if you write it down, you can treat this as a bit of a... People find diaries quite therapeutic to get things off their mind. This can be like that. You write a letter to me, and you can write down a couple of... You can bullet point the questions if you want to within the letter. So, like I've said here, you can split it into 2 parts or 2 paragraphs. Have a little bit of a hello, Mr. Cooper, it's so and so. I can't wait. I'm very excited. Blah, blah, blah. You can have a paragraph of 2 or 3 targets, a bit like a New Year's resolution, but a new school year's resolution, I suppose. And then some questions in another paragraph. So, it doesn't have to be a really long one, but obviously it's going to have a couple of pages, it's going to be half a page or a page, isn't it, really? By the time you've done your little intro, your paragraph on about you, and another one about questions that you want to ask me. And it should be quite a nice chance for you to, like I say, just get things off your chest and help you to process actually what do I want to know about year 5. Am I actually worried? Because you might say, no, I'm not, but there might be questions on your mind. And it can be anything. It could be about homework, it could be about our big questions, what we write about in English, things to get to know better. And then what you do, if we do these, and if these are good enough, our first week back, I can sit and answer some of these. Bit of a hot seat. I'll sit down at the front and I'll answer some of these questions. I'll have your letters and I'll answer the questions. Okay? So doing this will help our first few days back. So enjoy that. And don't forget, I'm interested to see actually how you write as well, along with what it is that you write. So good luck with that one, guys.